Well, now we check in on some students, although they're a little bit younger than college age. Earlier today, Adams High School hosted a VEX robotics competition, and it brought students from all across West Texas to see whose robots would reign supreme. Well, our Dan Booth tells us how preparing for competitions can help these students prepare for life after high school.
I think that Adams High School is the best high school in the world.
It takes months of preparation and hard work to get ready for a tournament like the VEX Robotics competition. At Adams High School, students have access to all the tools they need to be successful.
I can go into the engineering lab every single day and I am directly applying the things that we are learning in our math classes, in our engineering classes. Most people might take a class, they might learn how gear ratios work, but they never actually sit down with real gears and say, how do I make this work?
Being able to seriously compete at one of these events takes time and a great deal of trial and error. During that struggle, students learn more than they realize.
They put in lots of time, they learn a lot, they become very, very experienced in programming and building and following the design process.
Some students who helped build the program are proud of the progress the new wave of students has made.
It's cool to see it still happening and seeing them even go further into it than just competing, but actually hosting an event. I think that's super cool.
This program allows students to set goals for both during high school and for after they graduate.
I have now been focusing on learning to do better at the actual mechanical building because personally that's what really entertains me, and I want to be able to go forward and really work with robotics for the rest of my life.
Second semester freshman year, I was on the VEX team and loved it. It totally inspired me to pursue engineering and just change the course of my ideal career and the course of my life.
The skills students learn while building robots, solving problems, and competing in tournaments like this can help them prepare for life after high school. And because of that, this tournament means more than just using robots to pick up one of these cubes. For BigCountryHomepage.com, I'm Dan Booth.
All right, thank you, Dan. VEX robotics competitions take place at the local, regional, national, and world levels, so the sky's the limit for those who are a part of the program.